In this video I just want to explain the different ways of displaying output on the screen. The very basic command is the display command, DISP. In the highlighted version here, it displays the value of the variable a, so it will display 7 on the screen. Or you could use a display to display the value of an expression. In this case, a plus b is 15, so it displays the value 15. Just as we've displayed the value of a variable or the value of an expression, we could also display a string. So when you put something between single quotes, it's like a word or a sentence, and that word or string will be displayed on the screen. Important to note that when you want to display a list of elements, in this case the variable a, the variable b, and the value of a plus b, you need to put them inside a matrix or a vector. So notice this use of the square brackets, so a, b, and a plus b becomes elements of the vector, and it then displays 7, 8, and 15. Yeah, I simply want to highlight that you can also put commas between the elements inside the vector, and the result will be the same. In the previous examples we were listing numbers or values. In this example we're displaying 3 strings, cat, mat, and sat, and notice the way we do it, and it displays cat, mat, sat, but we notice that there's no space between the 3 strings on the display. So in order to get the space between them, we simply add the space to the string. So after cat there's a space, and after mat there's a space before the quote closes. That way we'll get cat, mat, and sat displayed. The problem comes in when we start wanting to display elements of different data types. So in this example we're trying to display a number a and the string cat in different orders, and every time we're not getting a satisfactory result. So the display command is for very basic output. The fprintf command will now be introduced for more complex output. The command that is used for more complicated display is the fprintf command, and you'll see that it works as follows. It starts off with a string followed by a list of variables. Now if you look in the strings, the sum of, it has 3 %d placeholders in the string. What that means is the first %d is replaced by the first variable listed after the string, the second one is replaced by the second variable, and the third one is replaced by the third expression. Notice it's not a variable, it's an expression a plus b. So when fprintf prints on the screen, it says the sum of the %d becomes the value of a, which is 8, and the %d, the second one, becomes 12, which is the value of b, and then it says is a plus b is 20, so it displays the 20. So the fprintf uses the concept of a placeholder, which is linked to variables listed after the string. The order of the placeholder determines the order which variables are used after the string. But notice that the %d doesn't always work. In this scenario we're calculating the average of 10 plus 12 plus 15, which is 1.23333. Now the average, our fourth variable after the string, needs to replace the fourth %d. But you'll see that we get a strange formatted answer there, which we don't really want. So the basic rule here is that you can only use the %d to replace an integer or a number. You can't replace any number that has decimal positions. So to solve this problem we use the f placeholder. Notice that the %d is now replaced by %5.2f. Now what does this mean? The 0.2 means that we round off the number to 2 decimal places, therefore you'll see the answer is 0.33. And the 5 says that is the width of the answer. So the width of this answer is 1.2.33, which is 5 characters. So it allows for a width of 5 characters. I've just made it extreme here by saying percentage 10.2f, which implies a width of 10 characters, and you'll see the big space between the e's and the 12.33. That is simply the extra space characters, empty characters, that's added in front, so that it has a width of 10.